Tired of your customer list feeling like a messy pile of names? Let's tidy things up. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the contacts section. This is where all your customer information lives, so it's ground zero for our organizational mission. Next, select the contact you want to tag. Click on their name to open their profile, where you will find all their contact details and history. Look for the tags section within the contact's profile. It's usually located near their other details. This is where the magic happens. Click in the text field to start creating your tag. Type in the tag you want to associate with this contact. For example, you might use VIP customer, interested in product, or location, New York. After typing your tag, click the Create or Add button to save it. You can add multiple tags to a single contact. The more specific your tags, the better you can segment your audience. Think about demographics, interests, purchase history, and anything else that helps you personalize your communication. Now, to see the real power of tags, go back to your contact list and look for the filter option. You can filter your contacts based on the tags you've created. This allows you to easily target specific groups of people with tailored messages. This precise targeting leads to more relevant and engaging communication, boosting customer satisfaction and improving your marketing campaign's performance. And that's how you level up your Aisensy game with tags.